Are we all lit?
Coach Vigue, my friends, welcome to day 19 of 30 days of yoga. This is morning yoga on the go. I figure I give you my 5 favorite stretching exercises that I recommend you do every single morning for great energy, focus, flexibility, strength, and they are fun. We don't need the glasses. Threw those way farther than I intended to. All right, cap on. Today's random question is, who was your favorite author as a kid? As a kid, which books did you read the most of? Comment below. All right, my friends, let us begin. Morning yoga on the go. Breathing in the nose, out the nose, modify as needed, and keep inviting those people who most need these stretches to join us. Number 1, we're going to go onto our backs. I don't know why I got up on my knees. I was very excited there. So lying twist with a caveat. Take that left leg down, bring the right knee in, and let's draw this leg back and forth. Inhale to the side, exhale across. Again, my 5 favorite stretches to start each and every day for the best day ever. If you like, you can lengthen that leg, make it yours. Always use the control. And oh, the sun came out on cue. Okay, back and forth, opening up the low back, getting rotation happening in your lives. The breath is flowing, stretching down the sides. One more time, each side. Bring it all the way across. Hold it right here. Extend the opposite arm. Reach up and down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Extending this right leg as far as you wish. Oh, fantastic. What a great way to start. Leave your phone alone in the morning, right away in your bed or on the floor, on the mat, wherever you are, on a cloud. Do these stretches. Do them right away. Do it for yourself and do it for those around you, because once you do these, you are better to those around you. Oh, if you're watching these on a phone, that's okay. I just heard a bunch of people say, well, I got to watch it on my phone. They didn't use that accent. That popped into my head. All right, other side. That's a voice I use with my son a lot when we're playing with his toys. Actually, they're my toys. Back and forth. Wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes. We exhale to the side. Inhale center, exhale other side. Hope you're admiring my new pants. Again, for some reason, I get my whole filming wardrobe at the Walmart in Richland Center, Wisconsin, because it's on the way to my Wisconsin hideaway, retreat place, the Shire. Extend the leg if you like. Always use the hands for more control. It enables you to keep expanding each time you move side to side, each time you come across or out to the side. Inhale, exhale. Let those breaths be big, be grand, be very fulfilling. All right, bring it across. 5 breaths. Reach this arm up and down. I hear the hum of lawn care happening. The soundtrack of Florida. That, and hey, let's go to Publix. All right, beautiful, my friends. Bring it back to the center. Figure 4 stretch. Right ankle, left thigh. Right arm in between, left arm on the outside. My number 2 favorite. Use the right elbow to open the hip. Your head is up or down. It was cool. Now it's getting a little warmer. That sun comes out. Just microwaves everything. Pull the legs towards you. Hips and glutes. With rocking side to side. Don't fall out of your bed. I don't recommend that one bit. Extend that left leg. Feel the hamstring coming alive like Peter Frampton. Frampton. All right, other side. Back and forth. Extend. Pull. You should remember when he was on The Simpsons with Homer Palooza. Go ahead and massage your low back right here. Say it every class, everything I teach, no matter what we're doing. We're doing weight training, powerlifting. I always want to add in stretches, flexibility training, mobility training, massaging the low back, keeping your blood flow at its peak, encouraging more and more. All right, bring it up. Child's pose with thread the needle, number 3. There's a big old beautiful hawk right there watching me. Right hand forward, left arm underneath. Let me know if he starts pecking my brain. This is thread the needle, child's pose. Work this arm. Oh, he's got a worm. Okay, just worms, not Coach Vigue. Work this arm into a diagonal. 3 breaths. You can always make these active stretches, meaning going back and forth, side to side. Great for stretching the thoracic part of your back, the mid and upper. And let's go to the other side. Are we alone? Okay. Other than that huge hawk over there. All right, hold that stretch. Let me pull my pants up. Yes. Nothing but beautiful wardrobe moves here. Reach through, keep extending. So of course, hold your pose. Let me show you something. You're going this way. You're always extending more. You can rock it forward as well. Don't get complacent in your stretching, in your flexibility training, in your yoga. Always strive for more, always trying to get a little more of that movement. Okay, we walk it up. Number 3, camel. Camel stretch, knees down. You can also sit cross-legged. If you want to modify, hands on the low back, pooching the belly out with your breath. Full camel is reaching back like this. 5 breaths, either one. Relax the throat, relax the jaw, pressing your hips forward, stretching the whole front of your body. A beautiful back bend. You don't want to step into your day hunched over, rounded at the shoulders. It definitely projects weakness. It projects insecurity. It projects sadness a lot when you're hunched over like that. That's why cell phones are so deadly, that posture. What it does to your body and the image. It's always good to project a nice, tall, aligned body. Inspires people, leads people. Okay, rise up. Lunge twist, finishing with that. Right foot forward, left knee back. You can also extend the back leg. I'm going to bring the knee down. Hand to the mat. Inhale, reach up. We're going to make it active, back and forth. So hand down and lift. You can make it a big twist or a small one, depending on how your body responds. Stretching your hip flexor, opening up the sides. Good. Blood is flowing. Get that brain working. Get those thoughts humming. Morning yoga on the go. You want to do these and then inspire all those around you to do them also. Show them. Invite them. All right, other side. Left foot forward. When you're ready. Hi. Good. Open up the body. Open up the breath. One more time each side, my friends. This will finish day 19 of our 30 days of yoga. Let's sit back on the heels. A little extra credit, shoulder rolls. Marvelous work, my friends. Practice, practice. It gets better every time you do it. And then invite friends. Today's random question: who was your favorite author as a child? I got to say Beverly Cleary. God bless her. She just passed away. She was 104 years old, from Portland, Oregon. 104. Beverly Cleary, I think I read 98% of her books. And Judy Blume, too, she was in there. There was a few others I can't remember right now, but always going to the library at school, go in the C section under Cleary. And Beverly, that was my mom's name as well, so I gravitated towards that. Open it up, and if you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe, click the notification bell to never miss a workout, click the like button. enjoy them. See you tomorrow for day 20, my friends. Always remember, keep breathing, keep flowing, and watch a little Frasier.